Hey, this is Joe Hill from Getaway Management. We are going to do a quick video walkthrough of Cozy Cabin Getaway here in McCall. So when you get here, you've got your code to enter. So this place is brand spanking new, and it is a very cool, little quaint little cabin. Down here is a nice, gitchy, cool little queen bed. Nice open floor plan. We have washer, dryer, and an in-lav. A little shower stall here. And then as we walk this direction, we have this nice, modern, very elegant kitchen. Great counter space. Open, fun, inviting spot to hang out and chill. So we have an extraordinary treat, wonderful king-size bed in the master, and then in here, feast your eyes on this soaker tub. Jetta jacuzzi tub. I think that's going to be a huge highlight for some to come up here and then just sit and enjoy that. Now, this couch can also turn into sleeping arrangements for those of you who are willing to sleep on that. Very comfy, real cush. So this place will sleep 4 people in beds. And then up here we have a loft area. It has a futon, which will sleep 1. And then it's possible for that couch down there to sleep 2 as well, so for a maximum of 7 people. So if you have any questions regarding the Cozy Cabin Getaway, you can reach out to us at Getaway Management. Number's 208-634-0030. And of course you can book online directly. You can save since we don't charge fees like some of the other companies and OTAs. So this is the Cozy Cabin Getaway. If you've got any questions, please feel free to give us a ring. Cheers.